Everyone, welcome to our post-game press conference. We have here Sally Davison, Coach Roderick Aport, and Kat Narado of the PLDT High Speed Hitters won in 3 sets against the Capital One Solar Strikers. Coach, congratulations on this win. Straight set win against Capital One. Anong masasabi mo sa naging performance sa team today?
Happy na yung pinag-usapan namin, nangyari lahat, na-execute lahat. So pag ganoon naman, regardless ng result,
battery at 80%.
nagawa namin trabaho natin. So bonus na rin ang next straight sets.
Thank you, Coach, and for Savvy, another consistent game for you for PLDT. Just how good does it feel for you to be able to really get back into your game and have the PLDT High Speed Hitters win?
This game I definitely had some areas I had to work on, but it just shows me that obviously like I'm not at my 100 yet, so it just keeps showing me lessons that I can improve on.
Thank you, Savvy, and for that best player of the game. Gano'n ka lang din sa ka-proud sa team na nito nakakuha kayo ng mga early wins conference?
Nakaka-proud siya kasi yung may goal kasi kami talaga as a team. So kahit papaano, maganda kasi talaga yung preparation namin. And syempre tulong na din ng mga coaches, nagsa-scout sila, then ina-apply naman namin sa training. So talagang hindi na bago sa amin yung galaw namin, kailangan na lang talaga namin masundan yung kung ano yung plano, yung sa sistema nga na ini-input talaga nilang coach.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
For Coach, yun nga, 3-0 start, kahit mahaba yung season, ano yung nakikita nyo pang kailangan na i-improve pa ng team, lalo na yung mga susunod nyo yung pabigat na ng pabigat yung games?
Ever since naman siguro yung consistency na every game, huwag kami mag-gain either yung maging complacent o maging frustrated sa mga nangyayari. So more on dun sa parang mag-respond sa mga nangyayari pa na mas maging mature kami para pag mga stronger teams yung katapat, alam namin yung gagawin.
So for Savvy, still unbeaten in your return with PLDT, what do you think does it come down to so far for PLDT in terms of your perfect start? Is there a particular change that has happened, or it's the same old formula that has worked so far for you?
I think just coming back and being involved in practice again. I don't think there's much that have changed. Like obviously we work hard, our preparation's really nice, and we just know how to adjust to certain teams. I think we just show up every day working harder than the last. So I think as a team we're just growing in general as a group. And it's really fun to see how much we can do. So I'm just excited to see, give us more time and we'll see how it goes.
If we're captain, yung siguro nakikita mo ngayon na pinaka-significant change or aspeto sa laro nyo kaya ngayon 3-0 start pa rin kayo? So
Siguro yung maturity. Kasi yun yung talagang kulang talaga sa amin. I mean, lalo na yung consistency namin na kahit anong sino yung kalaban, kahit anong kabigat, yung pressure, yung sa crowd, yung nangyayari, talagang hindi kami dapat panghinaan ng loob, yung ganong Kasi, syempre, lesson learned na din sa mga nangyari ng mga conferences. So, kailangan namin mag-matured na alam namin yung role namin sa team and alam din namin kung paano pa-improve yung individual at lalo na as a team.
Sandy, what else are you doing to improve your game for the next games?
I don't think there's much different. I mean, now that I'm rehab and stuff and I'm back kind of in the day-to-day with practice, it's more just about becoming the player that they need me to be and less so much focus on myself. I'm just trying to fill any role that I can to contribute to this team. So that's my main goal.
Coach, 3-0 nga kayo. Of course, comfortable wins yung first 3. Siguro, how are you looking na kumbaga next few games kasi magbibigat na rin na hindi magkaroon ng complacency na coming off easy wins or comfortable wins?
Actually yung results nung past 3 games hindi masyadong nag-a-affect sa amin nandun pa rin talaga kami sa pagpa-mindset kung paano namin i-look forward yung mga stronger teams. Yun nga, parang nabuhin ko kanina, bonus na lang na nagiging easy wins, pero dagdag na lang talaga na may momentum kami going to those hard games. Pero yun yung mindset pa rin talaga na regardless kung gaano kabigat, dapat mag-show up kami lagi.
Coach, speaking of your small schedule, medyo mahaba nga kasi yung mga gaps in between ng games nyo. Is there, nakakatulong ba yun for the team in terms of preparation, recovery?
Sobra. Kasi nababalance out namin lahat. From pahinga to scouting to individual to team preparation. So okay yung schedule namin. Hindi ko lang gano'n nakita pa yung after ng December. Pero so far, ngayon hanggang December na last game namin. Okay kami kasi once a week lang kami naglalaro. So sana ma-maintain kahit sa mga susunod na conferences para yung health din ng players maging 100% hanggang dulo.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Captain.